Hello coffee family, have you heard that we have now a new way of making the Americano? On your shot of espresso, you need to remove the crema. We are not going to use the hot water from the espresso machine. Instead, we are going to be steaming the hot water, mix it together to make the new way of making the Americano. This is what I'm talking about. The new way of making Americano by James Hoffmann. Very many people even confess that this is the best Americano they have ever had. And in this video, we are having a coffee battle between the new way of making the Americano and the classic way of making the Americano. We are going to find out which of these two Americano is better than the other. Is this new Americano by James Hoffmann better than the classic Americano, which has existed since the 1940s during the Second World War, where the American soldiers found that the Italian espresso was too much strong. So they decided to add hot water into that shot of espresso, resulting into the classic Americano. But last month, 2026, is when I saw this new way of making Americano by James Hoffmann start popping up all over the internet. So I decided to look for the video. I watched it, I read the comments, and I was mind blown. How people were reacting. Some people were even saying this is the best Americano they have ever had. So I said, why not? Let me share this Americano with you, put it to a test, see, is it worth the hype? Should you start making your Americano like James Hoffmann does? And it's not very complicated, I should say. It runs on two key principles. The first one, on your shot of espresso, you need to remove the crema, because this is believed by James Hoffmann to contribute to the bitterness that you get in the classic Americano. The second principle, we are not going to use the hot water from the espresso machine. Instead, we are going to be steaming the hot water as if we are steaming our milk for the latte and the cappuccino until the ideal temperature, then mix it together to make the new way of making the Americano. So let's the battle begin. We're making the classic Americano versus the new way of making the Americano. Later on, we are going to be testing both of these Americanos, and I'll give my verdict from my 9-year experience as a barista. So I'm going to start by extracting 2 double shots of espresso for the 2 Americanos. So this is our first double shot of espresso. I'll extract the second one. So these are our 2 double shots of espresso. Each of these double shot of espresso is 40 ml. For the cups, I'm going to be using these handcrafted ceramic cups, which have a capacity of 6 ounces. That means 180 ml of liquid in each cup. For the classic Americano, we are going to be just pouring in our shot of espresso into the cup. And for the James Hoffmann way of making the Americano, I am going to be scooping off the crema on top of my shot of espresso. After scooping off the crema on top, still will remain with 40 ml because crema is like foam on top of your shot of espresso. And now for the hot water for these 2 Americanos. The classic one, I'll draw my hot water directly from my espresso machine, which is boiled around 91 to 92 degrees Celsius. You make sure you be careful so that it doesn't burn your hands. Here's our classic Americano. And the James Hoffmann way of making the Americano, we are going to be steaming it. I need my milk jug. I need my filtered water. The same water I have used to brew my shot of espresso is the same water I'm going to be steaming. Same step as if you're steaming your milk. You first purge your steam one so that you can have fresh steam. And then you can steam the water until it reaches around 65 to 70 degrees Celsius. So 65 is my temperature for the hot water. And now I'll add it in my shot of espresso without crema for the new Americano. To have a proper tasting, I'm going to have someone to help me triangulate these two coffees so that I can see the real difference between each of them. I'll just mark this one. So first one, I'll start with one. Whoosh. With the temperature, this cup is very hot. Basically, this is already the classic Americano. This one is more drinkable, so it's more of a low temperature, easy for you to drink even at the first sip. And now for the flavors. This is more smooth, not with that harsh bitterness, so it's just like almost similar to a filtered coffee. If you're someone who loves the V60, you'll be more familiar with this taste. Then for the classic Americano, we all know how it tastes. It has that bitterness that lingers at the back after you drink it, but it's also something that very many people love. This is our James Hoffmann new Americano, and this one with X is our classic way of making the Americano. And now here's my honest verdict between these two ways of making the Americano. First thing, let me talk about the James Hoffmann way of making Americano. From my 9-year experience as a barista, this is not something really very new to me, because one of the shops I worked for, we used to make Americano, but we never used the hot water from the machine. We used to boil the water separately using a temperature controlled kettle until 70. And until now, this is how I personally have my Americano. But the thing I didn't know about was scooping off the crema. And I feel like when you scoop the crema off, it becomes even more smoother and more interesting. I've been making my Americano just like this, but only keeping the foam. And I think if you're someone who loves a filter coffee, you just want that smooth black coffee that you can enjoy, the new way of making the Americano would be ideal for you. But as a barista, with my experience, I know some specific customers who stick with these classic Americanos. Like those people who want a very strong, bold black coffee, then this classic Americano would be the perfect option for you. Before making any judgment between these two coffee drinks, I would recommend for you to try them out and see what exactly I'm talking about. Tell me which of these coffee drinks is perfect for you. But if you're someone who's just starting your coffee journey and you'd like to know more about how to make different coffee drinks, then I would recommend for you to watch this video next for a compact guide on how you can make 13 of the hot coffee drinks using a basic home espresso machine like this one.